The most effective persuasive writing will be the one in which you allow your students to choose the topic that matters the most to them. Try not to tell your students that they need to pick from a list of teacher-selected topics, as that immediately takes away the ownership and investment of your students. Instead, help them to brainstorm topics that are important to them. In this video, we will be sharing with you tips to improve your persuasive writing skills. So what is persuasive writing? Persuasive writing is intended to convince readers to think, feel and believe an idea or an opinion, using reviews, editorials, letters, proposals and adverts to name a few. So what are the features of persuasive writing? Persuasive writing has a purpose. There is a clear message behind your writing. So in your first paragraph, the introduction, you will state what you are writing about, which is your purpose, along with your opinion. For example, you could be writing a letter in response to your head teacher's question.
Should children be allowed to have a mobile phone at school?
Or,
is it okay to use real leather and real fur for clothing and shoes?
so in your second paragraph, you will need to give reasons to support your idea or opinion. Should children have a mobile phone?
No, there is no need for a child to have their own phone until they are spending a significant amount of time on their own or with other children away from their parents or carers.
So that you have a strong argument, I would suggest that you come up with 2 more reasons. Other reasons could be internet safety, safety risks, cyberbullying, responsibility, and phone bills. Your final paragraph will be the conclusion, summarising your point of view. This will be your final paragraph and you will summarise your opinion or idea and the key reasons for this. Persuasive writing also includes logical connectives to link ideas together. On the other hand,
nevertheless,
however, therefore, hence, as a result,
otherwise.
Persuasive writing also includes emotive language: forbidden, panic, disgust,
ordeal,
Cruel,
urge,
magical,
startling, terrified.
aesthetic.
Persuasive writing also includes rhetorical questions.
Did you think that?
Have you ever thought about? Isn't it time to? Don't you think that? Why? Need a? Fed up with? Bored by?
Worried about?
Here are some sentence starters that you could use in your writing. It is important that most people would agree. Do you realise? How could you possibly think? The fact is,
no one could disagree that.
Everyone would agree. Most importantly,
Do you really think?
can't you see?
We must realise.
We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and visit us on our social media platforms for more tips, advice and resources. Thank you for watching.